Hello everyone, welcome to the Efilling tutorial video with me. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Milana Prislia. I'm an English literature student with the student ID number 231111034 for the Secretarial Studies course. But before we get into the tutorial, I would like to briefly explain what e-billing is. So, e-billing is an electronic billing system used to store, manage, and organize documents digitally to make them easier to access, search, and archive efficiently compared to manual billing systems. So now let's take a look at this table and letters. So here we already have incoming letters, outgoing letters that you can see in an Excel table here in the bottom. And another disposition sheet that we will fill out one by one. And also, we have to store the letters. Like we have to make it different from the incoming letters, outgoing letters, like this, to make it easier for you to write it on the table, on the Excel table. So first, we will create the Excel table. Start by writing the company name, which is in this example is we use the Surya Clover company. And after that, write incoming mail agenda book with the requested period. For example, in this case, it is on January 2025. And next, we create the table structure like this. Please follow the rules. We will start with incoming letters. The first letter is from Gumuru RC company. So please write it here like this, guys. So please pay attention to the date that letter was received, the letter number, and the subject of the letter. For example, it is on 2nd January 2025 with the number of letter is 109 on 1 in 2025, and the subject of the letter is, like for example, like here is asked for collaboration offer. So we can write it on this table section. After that, we adjust the data according to the archive classification patterns to make it easier to sort and review archive documents here. You can read it and digest what these letters is going to be classified. For example, like in WRC company, they ask for the collaboration offer. So we connect it to this from the marketing section. It 100, and the sub problem is about the overing is at 00. After we also have the sub problem is on the, because it is a work collaboration, so we choose the 20. So the archive code is going to be 100 00 and 20. It can be also applied to another letters. You can see it here. The second letter is from Aroma Furniture Company. You put the subject letters, the date, and the number letter like that. You can apply the same step by step to these letters and another letters and incoming letters. So we move to outgoing letter, which is, it's quite the same and it's simple because you just write it the same like the incoming letters. For example, like what is the company, the subject letters, the date of letters, and to whom these letters given to. So here it is, and the first outgoing letters is from Udang company. So we write it here, and the subject letters is offering, and the date is on 15 January 2025. Just copy it here and there. It's easy, right? So we're going to move to the disposition later, even though it is quite like different and quite unusual for you to write it. But bear in mind that this disposition letters will going to be delivered to you, so you don't have to um, make the letters like this, but you just have to fill out the form like this. For example, like where the letters is coming from, and the letters or number, the number of the letter, and also the date letters, and what is the subject, and where this letter is being accepted, and the type of the letters. You have to read it from the letters first, because it is a collaboration offering. So it means that it needs to co- coordinate and confirmation from the head of marketing. So you fill out this in the in the soon table, because it is not secret. You just go with that, and don't forget to write the notes or the letters from here. It is you can copy paste it from these letters, and so on and so forth, guys. You just have to fill out and insert the letters in above of the disposition letter. So in the last section, we're going to put the link of the outgoing letters in here in the our sibling document. Please bear in mind that you have to fill this. You just upload it on G Drive or whatever that you are being asked for, because in times it will be needed in the future, so it can make your work easier than before. And please don't use or put the long link, because it can make your table worse and make it not good and everyone's eyes. So just use the certainly website, for example, like the BitLY website, to make it short. Alright, so we have at the end of tutorial a tutorial of Efilling for secretarial studies course. And through this video, I hope you now have a clear understanding of what Efilling is and how it is applied in secretarial work, especially in managing incoming and outgoing correspondence systematically. And by this, documents management becomes more efficient, organized, and secure, which is very important in supporting administrative activities in an organization in the future. So I also hope that steps demonstrated in this tutorial can help you practice proper filling techniques and understand the importance of accuracy and consistency in receiving documents. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope this tutorial is useful and can support your learning in the secretarial studies course. So if there are any mistakes or shortcomings in these explanations, I sincerely apologize. And once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial and have a great day.